Hi, everyone. This is going to be a little different episode. This is an event that I'm kind of looking forward to. It's the Carlisle Auto Flea Market. It's the Spring Carlisle event. It's the Auto Flea Market, Corral, and Car Auction. And it's running this April in 2023. I'm actually going down there. And I'm going to kind of share the experience with you folks while I'm down there. I'm actually going to go down and look for a few parts, mainly some interior parts, grills, a few other things. I'm not going to really do engine stuff. So stick around for this one. If this is something that you might be interested in, just at least check it out. There'll probably be just a lot of walking around and maybe stopping at a few booths and stuff like that and talking with people. But for the most part, I'll probably get some pictures of some of the cars, but not of all of them. But I just want to go down and see how massive this event is. I've heard a lot of things about it, so this will be the first time for me doing this, and we'll see if I'm going to go back next year or not. But that's it. Stick around and check it out, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. This is day one of the Carlisle Classic Car Flea Market, Corral, and Car Auction. You can see in the background there, I'm actually Gate G is in Gulf. And you can see way back there, there's a whole bunch of, well, this is the parking lot. I had see this, sorry, one of the parking lots. This is the parking lot at Gate G. So the entrance is just over there. They're going to go and pay and go in, and we'll check it out. So take along for the ride. As I said, I promised to come out here this year. It's the first time for me. So see y'all in a bit. Okay, so we're inside the gate. Let's go and see if we can get a better view of this whole environment here, okay? Just to give you an idea how massive this is. The wind might be interrupting a bit. The stadium over there, pavilions for cars for sale. This is just massive. These are all the vendors of the flea market, but hang on a second, there's more. There's tons behind me. I'm almost in the middle of it on top of a hill. Pretty crazy. About 8,000 vendors here. This is just the top portion. That's not even 1/4 of the vendors here. I'm heading my way over towards gate 5. Okay, this was a rather interesting find I noticed there. Looks like pretty much anything is for sale at this Carlisle event. Wow.
what model you're looking at?
A 73 Mustang. It's a convertible.
Do you know what style dash? Do you know anything about them?
Oh yeah, I do. So basically, I don't have the triple gauges in the center, but I'm looking at maybe picking up some of those.
Okay.
I was hoping to see that here this week, to be honest with you, but
They only offer.
yes, I don't think I could change the color on the fly. Just
You can't. Yeah, it's the one. It's really dark out.
yeah, it's hard with the glare from the sun and everything. This is Dakota Digital.
They might even have this in the magazine, actually.
The glare's real bad.
Yeah.
Sure thing. I heard you talking to the other gentleman. These are all manufactured in Dakota, right?
Correct. These
Yep.
are all manufactured out of South Dakota. They're CNC milled, spec.
All right. So the gauge is for the 73 Mustang. All right.
So you pick a color, different background colors. So you have a black or a silver,
Gotcha. Okay.
and then you have a red, white, or blue lighting.
Okay. And that's fixed, right?
Correct.
Okay. It's a fixed lighting, right? Okay. Cool. Kind of stuck between both of these, right? But yeah,
Yeah.
I'll have to make a decision and lock and load, right? How's it comes with everything, right?
It does. It comes with the 3 sensors you need: speedo, oil pressure, and water temperature.
Okay.
So those plug directly into your car.
Okay.
You remove your speedo cable, put this in, it creates a digital pulse.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then those wires have open ends, and they wire into your control unit.
Excellent. Okay. Wow. And then, if I remember correctly, you have to like adjust it for the speed, right?
Correct.
Yeah, you have
so you can do a 1 mile distance.
Gotcha.
You'll set it.
Yeah.
And then to compare, you can pull up GPS on your phone, and you can actually pump it up or down mile per hour if need be.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Dakota Digital, folks. I just get the shot of the. There we go. As you can see, this is day 2 maybe you can't see it today too, but there's a lot more cars for sale here today. The sea of cars. And that's like maybe 1/3 of the whole area. There's a sea of cars. There's a Mustang over there. There's a few other vehicles.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. Out of this shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Okay, well, that's it, everybody. This is actually the end of day 2. I'm not going to stick around for the full event. This is actually Thursday. I'm heading back home tomorrow, so Friday morning. So didn't find the parts I wanted, unfortunately. Was looking for grills and interior parts. I didn't, that's the kind of the only thing I kind of regretted in finding any of those parts. Picked up a couple little other things, little odds and ends and whatnot. That's pretty much it, but it was a pretty massive event. If you've never done it before, yeah, it's something to check out, man. To be honest with you, I probably walked through the whole place at about maybe close to 2.5 times, front to back type of thing. I will say something, though, which I was kind of surprised today on day 2, is there seemed to be more vendors that were set up. Yesterday, I was there pretty early in the morning, not that early, to be honest with you, like 9 a.m., 9:30, whatever, and I walked around pretty much the whole day. And there was a lot of sections there where people weren't set up. They arrived and they were going to set up like late in the afternoon. So I noticed today there was a lot of stuff set up that I didn't see yesterday. So if you ever had to come down just for a day or something like that, depending, the first day may not be the most optimal day. I know sometimes if you're looking for a rare part, you want to get that first. So the day one is the day to be there. But again, like I said, I'd say there was probably 10% more people, more vendors there today than there was yesterday. But that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I just kind of blasted through it. I just took a bunch of videos, just whatever I could take, just to give you folks just an idea of what the event is all about. Am I going to come back next year? Not sure. You know what? I'll have to see what I need. I wasn't looking for engine parts because, as I mentioned before, I'm still kind of on the fence on what I'm doing with the engine. So I didn't want to make an investment into something that and drag it back across the border and pay duty and whatever or taxes on it and not need it, right? There's tons of cars there on day two for sale, tons, right? And everything from minivans to like vintage cars, like there's all kinds. You've seen some of the videos. There's no way I was able to check them all out. But anyhow, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope you found that entertaining. Like I said, if you did, just hit that like button if you liked it. Okay. Have a good one, and we'll see you soon.